Yeah. Oh, you're taking the first donut. Why?
Fixed. Do I look better now? What are we doing?
Hey Darley, how you going?
Yeah, not bad.
I guess everyone knows who you are on the channel, but just tell us a little bit about yourself.
I don't know. I'm a retired drifter. I do martial arts. I do Muay Thai. Have you guys heard of Muay Thai before? If you haven't, I would go and try it because it's amazing and it fixes problems.
What sort of problem?
I don't know what to talk about, Manji.
I guess that's it. You're done. Thank you.
That is not well.
Bye.
Give me...
Josh and Sam just doing a handover. Winner of the Evo's here to pick up the car. So just going through the E85 and 98 map switch.
Yeah, in the factory ECU or something, you can map it out. I think Jesse was saying, and then you can some OEM button press and stuff, and you can switch the map.
It's pretty much a video game at this point.
It's pretty much a video game.
Yeah. More power, baby.
More.
And after that, we're going to do some photos. Nice.
Nice winner, nice local winner. It's always good. We'll be able to see the car at events and whatnot. You might be able to come down to one of our events and see the car. You never know.
Just never know. You just never know.
You just don't know.
You just don't know.
So.
Oh. Bye.
So we doing it?
Johnny, are we doing it?
Oh, let's do it.
HSP from the fish and chip shop, which is usually not a go-to for HSP. So it's a risk. So we've got two choices. We either throw Jai under the bus, and he gets the HSP, the only person, or we go...
Or I can go hard or go home.
Yeah, I'm feeling
We're in this together, boys.
The thing is, our local fish and chip shop, Rochester Road Fish and Chips, is probably one of the best fish and chip shops in Victoria. I'm gonna do it. You in, Jai?
Yeah, I'm always in, man.
Zach's a pussy.
Just food.
Well, the chicken burger's fucking good, so gotta weigh it up, you know. Alright, all in. Let's do it.
Oh,
Yeah.
let's do it. What about Sam?
Yeah.
Oh!
Money's in.
I mean, I probably should give him a hand, but I'm holding a camera. Yeah, he definitely needs a hand. Oh!
They look good. And you get a free bottle of drink.
Really?
So you gotta get the Pasito.
What?
I wonder.
That's a slice of cheese, mate.
That's a slice of cheese.
Oh my god! What the fuck?
He's on top.
That's a tow truck. That is a freaking tow truck. And
Katsu chicken, believe it or not. Day in the life, brother.
Yeah.
That's it.
Going on. Picking up the 32 from Marcus. Been aligned. Was out a lot.
Oh, so might as well tell a little bit about yourself, I'm guessing.
Known Jason for years. Truck driver, mechanic.
Truck driver, mechanic, sim drifter,
jack of all trades, master of none.
Cool.
So yeah, Jason gave me the call and said, come work for us. And
yeah. So you pick up the car, you drop off the car, and you do that again and again and again to the winners.
And work on the cars. Yep.
Cool.
Boing, boing.
Did someone say cake? Oh, by the way, this is Andrew. Andrew is our newest recruit.
breakfast.
Oh no.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Hi, Sam. I'm the office coordinator here at Keep It Reet. I coordinate some of the giveaway stuff with Jesse and the team, event stuff with Josh. I got my job at Keep It Reet because it came up and I like drifting. Wanted to be more involved in the community and give back to that community. So outside of work, obviously I got 2 drift cars.
He steers so good. He steers so good.
A lot of my life really revolves around drifting these days, to be honest.
Oh, saying that, he's like 21.
The moment.
Percentage-wise, a lot, but
Yeah.
volumes, not so much.
Yeah, I mean, you know.
That's it.
Also get on the sim drifting with the boys a fair bit, which is always fun. Bit of cheaper seat time, definitely a better way to learn. So I do enjoy running the events. I think LZ World Tour was pretty sick. Biggest drift event in Australian history or whatever they were saying. Drifting has ruined my life.
I'm Zach, known as Zor, graphic designer here. Do a bit of website work with Brenny as well. Probably seen some of my work, whether it be merchandise or marketing, advertising. Quite proud of this one. Super simple design, but
Very clean.
came out nice. Drift club that I worked on. Everything is designed. There's quite a large thought process that goes into all our merch. There's some of our new merch. The simple logo on the front, and then I'm sure you've seen this, but just the barrel wags, really cool design.
Cool, that's cool. Tell us your golf adventure.
Do love a bit of golf with the boys. It's good, we've got a golf course around the corner, so any spare time I get after work and head down to the course. You can follow me at Zor Creative, that's at Zor Creative.
Yeah. I'm sure we can preview some of your...
Yes, some of my work here. And I'm a passionate creator, so I do love it. All my time is, and my passion is taken up by creative work. So you can see it there.
Alright, let's go shoot a vlog. Vlog was Jesse. Jesse was vlog. Oh, the holy camera.
Big vlog.
Yeah. And content.
Where's the content at? Yeah.
Let us cook.
Get him!
So Josh. Hello? So what is this new hobby?
This new hobby is RC drifting. It's fire. Rear-wheel drive, got the gyro, so it acts like a normal car. When you give it more throttle, it kicks out, it steers on its own. Okay. I'm 34 years old, and I like RC cars.
Anyway, so what do you do at Keep It Reet?
I organise our events, so everything from drift school to intermediate day to Friday night drift championship,
So
LZ
anything
World,
drifting related?
yeah, LZ World Tour, everything. It's been my passion for, I don't know, I'm old now, 12 years, 13 years, and I've been in the sport for that long. I love everything drift, so Danny gave me the opportunity to run drift events, which is pretty damn cool. So I get to mix hobby with work, passion with work, which is pretty damn cool. And I'm a bit of an addict, as you can see. In my spare time, I drift my RC drift car. You meant to interview me, Jai.
It was all good. And we're done.
We're done.
Alright, cool. See ya. Keep it reet.
So Adam, what are you doing?
I'm filming a merch pipe.
Hey, Rebel.
I had to come outside because Jesse's been too goddamn loud, like he is every freaking day, revving cars. Yeah, I'm pretty much media manager, general manager-ish. I used to make all the videos and do all the videos, then we got Jai started doing it, and then now we got Andrew as well, so a bit more of a team fueling it all. But yeah, I've been pretty involved with Keep It Reet for the last 2 and a bit years. 2.5 years. A bit about me, well this is my four-wheel drive, imported Prado, 1994, blah blah blah. I used to do a lot of four-wheel driving. I don't do it as much four-wheel driving anymore, but I do a lot of camping and touring and whatnot. Also, if you haven't seen on the channel, building a 2J swapped Cressida as a drift car for my first drift car. So that's pretty cool. You should go check out those videos. What else do you? Big golf guy.
Big golf guy.
Not really. Zach and I like to hit the golf course every now and then, you know. Golf, beers, camping, drifting, cars, things. It's good fun. We do have fun here. Who's the longest employee? It's Jesse and Josh at the moment.
Yeah, I've
Then
already
me.
done Josh.
Yeah, so Jesse, Josh and myself are the longest employees here at Keep It Reet. So let's go to the newest employee. He's been here about 2 weeks. Let's go harass the newest employee.
Not interrupting you.
No, you're right. How are you?
So, you doing a raffle?
Tonight we're drawing a car. And so we just dropped the VL.
Alright, sweet. Thanks, guys.
Oh, g'day, mate.
Oi, what are we doing? My name is Adam, I'm on camera.
Oh, wow. Jai, blur that out. Blur that out.
Introduce myself?
Introduce yourself. Who are you? What are you doing? Why are you here?
I'm here because of sheer luck. I started filming drift cars a year ago. Somehow caught the attention of these lovely gentlemen. And now I'm sitting here making drift videos for a living, which is fucking mint. See?
He's been here about 2 weeks.
2 weeks. 2 weeks.
Speaking of,
Think of the child.
are you working at Monster? We would love to get in touch with you. My favourite monster is Strawberry Dreams. If you'd like to sponsor Keep It Reet, get in touch with me. Josh at keepitreit.com.
Alright, welcome back. Welcome
No, you
back.
can't get me puffing.
No, it doesn't matter. How was the trip?
To Japan?
Yeah.
Japan was amazing. Happy to be back because I can't handle non-stop junk food. My body was like, what's going on?
What do you mean ramen's not junk food?
Yeah, you have ramen for breakfast, you have sushi for lunch, then you have in between that ice creams, desserts,
That's your
crepes.
problem. That's not Japan's problem.
Yeah, but it's my self-control problem in
Okay,
Japan.
fair enough. So, alright, tell us a little bit about yourself.
I'm Brendan. Run the merchandise and websites at Keep It Reet. Jace was my drift instructor. That's a little fun fact I always like to sprinkle in. I have a S14 that I bought when I was a young lad doing YouTube as a job. That was weird. I think there's so many things.
Yeah, there's so many things.
So
There
many
you go.
stupid things I can speak about. You have to direct.
What do you mean? You literally had a podcast.
I had a podcast.
Yeah, you
I did.
were a big YouTuber
That
guy.
got washed up. Many moons ago, I was a YouTuber. Then I became a mechanic, which gave me the crossover of skills, you know.
So you got an S13, S14.
And one day I'll have an S15 when they come back down to like 15 grand. So
But that's about it.
I want to be out of the sun though. Is this better?
No, it doesn't really matter. We've already done
My
it.
bags.
Well, you have more bags. Jesus
more
Christ.
bags.
You're a big bag guy. Anyway, are you ready for some staff photos?
Some star photos. Now I'm dreading them. Fingerprint on your professional lens.
And I call it extra special
Extra
effects.
exposure.
Yeah,
lens
yeah.
flare.
Yeah,
I have
yeah.
a camera, so you can. Oh!
Anyways, I'll see you at the photo session. Bye.
Bye.
Why not? Oh god. Cameras everywhere.
I like this light. It's good light.
Oh shit, here we go.
So, Joe, tell us, how'd you get started here at Keep It Reet?
I was a driver and I was making videos. And one day Jace messaged me, he's like, hey, would you like a job? And I said no. Yeah, I did. I actually said no. Then like a year later, he asked me the same question. I'm like, you know what, might as well give it a shot. And that was 2 years ago. My name is Jai. People know me as Mungie for some reason. I drift cars, I make videos, and I just want to do cool shit. Oh, Jesse.
Ah! That's it! Is that a wrap, Jai?
I think so.
That's it, you met the team. There's a bit that goes on behind the scenes, which I'm sure none of you are aware of, but we're not like some of the other questionable giveaway companies that do questionable things. We've got quite the establishment, and we have so for the last 3 or 4 years. And yeah, that's it. Now you get a bit of a behind the scenes look at what goes on. It's a bit more that meets the eye. Takes a lot to do what we do, and there's more than just Jassie's face and Farron's face. But yes, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, we have 2 things on this weekend. If you're watching this when this video comes out, 4th and 5th of May, we have Winton Reetsuri. So we got 2-day Matsuri at Winton Raceway this weekend, Saturday and Sunday. So come down, epic facility, check out some drifting. Also, we're going to be at Motor X, which
you're going to be at Motor X.
I'm going to be at Motor X, which you probably didn't know. Me and Brendan are going to go represent Keep It Reet. We're going to be selling merch, and we're going to have a couple cool cars down there. We're going to have the AU100 down there, and we're also going to have a very special car, my personal car. It's going to be there on display for Raceworks at the Raceworks stand. Hopefully the entire build video start to finish on the car I've been working on. In the background will come out this
That sounds like a lot of work.
this weekend. I'm not going to finish filming it until the very last minute before Motor X, and then I'm going to hope that the media boys will stay up all night and edit the video so it comes out before Motor X.
Whilst we're at the track.
Whilst
we're at the Winton.
So, don't know if that's going to happen. It might just all get spoiled on Instagram before the video comes out, but that's what's up. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video and let us know down in the comments what you thought, and